everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jacob Slanix with Chevy CLE Car Reviews, and today behind me we have the fastest production Corvette ever made behind me. This is the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. I'm going to go over what this car has to offer and what makes this the fastest Corvette to date. So be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts on the E-Ray Corvette, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alrighty guys, so this here is your 2024 E-Ray C8 Corvette. As mentioned in the intro, this is the fastest production Corvette ever made. So looking at this thing here, I love this new color. It looks amazing. So there's three new colors with the 2024 model year. It's going to be Riptide Blue, Cacti, and then Sea Wolf Gray, and you're looking at Sea Wolf Gray. I've been waiting for a color like this. It kind of looks like a matte gray, but it actually, if you can see there, has a metallic flake to it. So pretty excited for this car. I love the new colors. We're gonna go to the front end here. You're gonna see some differences. It's got that body colored plate there in the middle. You can see this has the carbon fiber aero package on it. So you got the carbon fiber front splitter there, as well as the side skirt. So that looks super cool, super aggressive. As far as like body style, nothing's changed. As you can see, similar headlights, similar body marks. This is gonna go off the same platform as the Z06 Corvette. So it's 3.6 inches wider than your Stingray, like your Z06. So super cool there. It looks like a new style wheel that we have here. You got the forge there, 5-spoke Corvette there on the side. I like how they did this body color boomerang, as I would call it. So there on the side, you can see with the Z06 how much wide, or the E-Ray, how wide it is, like the Z06, and then they do have the special E-Ray badge there on the side. So you got your E-Ray badge there, wider, just like that Z06 Corvette, by 3.6 inches. So something cool, they have a 20-inch front wheel and a 21 rear on this. And then I guess we should probably talk about the engine. So just like the normal Stingray, this has your 6.2 liter LT2 small block V8. As you can see right here, nothing's different if you looked at a Stingray engine to this one here. That's all the same. What makes this car different is this is the first electrified Corvette. So it basically acts as like the hybrid on the Corvette. So up front there is a motor that powers all-wheel drive. So it's all-wheel drive for one, and then it actually gives you an additional 160 horsepower and another 125 pound-feet of torque. So the normal C8 engine is about 495 horsepower, and then you're adding that 160 and that more torque. It's crazy, and that's all powered by a 1.9 kilowatt battery, and it's up front between the seat area, so the seating up front there. So now you're totaling 655 total horsepower on this car. Absolutely insane. And with that being said, the reason that this is the fastest is being all-wheel drive and having that electric motor to get you going. So it's a 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Very cool. Very fast, of course. I just can't get over this color. I love it. And everything, it's kind of cool. This is kind of a mix between a Z06 and a Stingray though, because you have your Stingray badge there. You've got the quad tip exhaust, but not the inner like the Z06 over there. So they're on the outside. You've got this new wing with the E-Ray. That looks pretty sweet. Kind of looks like a Ray, which I kind of like. It's like a low wing. You still have the coupe, you still have the convertible option that you can see your engine bay with. Comes standard with a couple things like mag ride and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. So we're gonna look at that. You can see Brembo carbon ceramic in there, so that's super cool. They have auto stop start now available, believe it or not, on these. A couple of new safety features like lane keep assist, automatic braking, and forward collision alert. And one cool thing with it being powered by electric, it actually can go in a full electric mode powered by that front battery, and that is called stealth mode. The car can drive up to 45 miles per hour in this stealth mode, making it quiet to get in and out of the garage. So super cool, love the look. This is a 3LZ. There's 1LZ and 2LZ available, and the coupe and the convertible. Love that carbon fiber top. Appreciate the car show for letting me get into the interior a little bit. So this is a 3LZ. You got that two-tone style interior. Looks super nice. GT2 style seats. You've got carbon fiber all over this thing. Up top there, on the bottom of the steering wheel, you got the E-Ray plaque. It's all super nice. Very similar to what you see on the normal C8 Corvette with the interior. Nothing's really changed there. There are a couple new modes, like I said, with that stealth mode. And there's actually a sound that the electric motor makes with the V8 to make it kind of sound a little more futuristic and exotic. Love that sound from what I've heard so far. You got your wireless charging. It's got an E-Ray plaque, normal infotainment, normal shifter. All the climate controls are the same as the C8, same dash, but I believe when it's on, it does look a little different. So super cool. It's a nice looking interior. For interiors this year, as far as what's new, there's an Artemis color. It replaces the 70th anniversary because we're no longer on 2023s with the 24, so that'll be different. I have not seen it yet, but by pictures it looked pretty cool. So that is your interior. And with powering that front motor that's in here in the center, the cool thing with that 1.9 kilowatt battery between the seats is, one, you have the all-wheel drive, but two, it doesn't require any charging whatsoever. So it's a regenerated energy. So when that how that works is basically when the car stops, brakes, coasts, and just normal drive, it's regenerating that battery. So it is a smaller battery, and I've had some questions on if it's, let's just say you're beating it up on the track, if it will withstand the charge. And from what I've heard, everyone said yes, you won't lose it. So I think that's pretty cool. It's gonna be just an insane car on the market. They're starting at an MSRP of $103, and of course go up from there into your packages. So I hope you guys like this car as much as I do. I think it's sweet. I'm sorry if this video feels a little rushed. They got a lot going on here at the car show, so I'm trying to get as much information as I can to you guys before more people come over. So yeah, this is your 2024 E-Ray Corvette, first electrified and the highest or fastest production Corvette ever built. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment your thoughts on the E-Ray Corvette, subscribe to the channel for more, and hopefully we'll be seeing these things real soon. Thank you again.